Hey guys, just wanted to show you this app that I built for my Sinatra project. It's called Wonderlist, and the idea behind it is that a person will be able to create an account, and then from there they can create boards and go through this list of trips that they can make around the world, and they can just pin the trips that they're interested in on their board. So let's log in and see how it works. Okay, as you can see, it's a very basic app, so don't have any fancy stuff going on. Cool, so now I'm redirected to the home page, but if you notice, then I have more functions than what I had earlier when I was not logged in. So now I have the option to view my boards, or I can view other users, which in this case I called wanderers, or I can log out. So let's check out my boards. See if I have any boards. Cool. So I have two boards as of now, and let me click on the first one. Cool. So I have 3 trips as of now on that board, and each of these trips are, by the way, an actual link. So if you click on them, it will take you to the website of that page, or that place, I mean. So I scraped all these trips from BBC's website. So there are actual links. But anyway, so this board has 3 trips as of now, and I have the option to edit the board. So on the edit page, I get to edit the name of the board if I want, or I can just delete the board if I'd like, right? And you can also access the list of the trips, and the ones that are already on the board will show as checked, but if you'd like to delete them from the board, you can just uncheck them. So I unchecked Copenhagen, so let me just add another place, let's say England, or France. Okay, and from there on, you can just go ahead and click on update board. And there you go. As you can see, the list of trips has been updated. So let's go back to my boards. As you can see right here, when you're on your board, the list of your boards or your profile, let's say, you have the option to create a board. Let's just look at how creating a board works. So far, I only have this condition that you can create a board by name. I did think about putting the list of trips right here, but I just thought the list is too long and it would just look kind of messy. So yeah, initially you would just create a board by name. See, and I have a board named pizza. Okay, so yeah, you create a board by name, and from there you can edit the board and then add trips to it. So if I click on edit board, so you get the list of trips. So now you can add trips to it, right? So for example, Florida and Firenze. Okay, so it's the same process that I showed you earlier. So now the board has been updated. I have these 2 trips listed on that board. So let's go to Wanderers page and view other users. So far we have 4 users. I'm creating, and we have these 3 other users. So let me just check out Andy's page. So Andy has 2 boards, and as you can see here, I don't have the option to create a board for Andy. And if you look further into his boards, like one of his boards, you will also notice that you don't have the option to edit the page, which makes sense. So yeah, so far Andy has 4 of these 4 trips listed in in that board. And so that's all about my application. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you have any comments, so please feel free to leave some. I'd really appreciate that. Thank you.